Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Voyager rod in Fisch. Start by checking your quest log and level requirements, then equip capture tools and buffs. Move to the spawn area at the recommended waypoint and watch spawn timers carefully. Use the right bait and tool combos to trigger the drop or craft option. Stay patient, and don't forget to reset spawns if the item doesn't appear quickly. You'll need to meet reputation and story checkpoints, so plan ahead and avoid last-minute turns. Stack the required materials in your inventory and confirm you have the necessary consumables for a success run. Clear space and set a waypoint to the exact spawn or vendor spot to save time. If crafting is needed, prepare the station and any supplementary items that boost success rates or reduce material loss. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, and it changed how I think about saving, investing, and choices you make before buying gear for game sessions. It pairs oddly well with planning your in-game economy, and I found it genuinely practical. Check the description for the book link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Follow the step-by-step route. Travel to the location, wait through the spawn rhythm, and use the recommended bait tool combo when the cues appear. If crafting is required, follow the recipe in order and apply any success boosts. When an attempt fails, use the reset technique to preserve resources and try again during the optimal window. Keep calm and adapt based on spawn patterns to maximize your chance of getting the Voyager rod.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.